Hello, it's Andy from Flanker and welcome to part 2 of the how-to guide for all the Flanker toolsets. So we got the imported P3D and it looks like crap, as you can see here. And in this video we're going to be showing you how to use the import cleanup. It's a very simple tool and it works pretty much flawlessly on all vanilla items. Other models as well, from like weapon packs or gear packs, they all work as well. That I've not had any issues personally. So what you do now is, instead of looking at all these random parts here, if you look on this list on this right hand side, you got numbers. It's like a number folder with a number object inside of it. So you want to find the lowest number, which in my case is 1. Yours might be 0, it might be 2. So you want to find the object with the lowest number. The object is this upside down triangle. You want to highlight this and then click on this object thing here, this object tab. Scroll down and you'll see this import cleanup, and this should be a cleanup button. If you just click that, you'll see it cleans up the gun. And this gun, for example, it's got 2 hidden selections, which the bullet, you don't need this bullet one. So this gun itself has got 1 hidden selection. It's a FAL_CO. So this gun will be pretty simple to skin. Obviously in vanilla as well, in vanilla items there is attachments, but in this case, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to skin the base of the gun. So that's the import cleanup done. In the next video we're going to show you how to use the texture pack to apply a texture to this gun. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, that'll be in the playlist, next in the playlist. If you're not watching the playlist, click in the video link in the description, or the playlist link, and watch it through there, so you can just easily skip to the next one without having to find it.